What's going on YouTube? It's Mike here. Today guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak any iOS 8 device all the way from iOS 8.0 up to iOS 8.1 using the Pangu 8 application for OS X. So just today, the Pangu team put out the tool on OS X, the popular jailbreak tool, which has only been available on Windows for the past few weeks, to be able to jailbreak any iDevice on iOS 8 and above. And so this includes the latest iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus, as well as the iPad Air 2 and even iPad Mini 3 and any devices under that that can run iOS 8. And I've been waiting patiently for the Pangu team to finally put this tool out. And so today I'm just going to be running through a quick tutorial showing you how to jailbreak it just so you could know. So right here, as you can see on my desktop, I already have the application running. I will leave links in the description so you could go download it. Very simple to download and get started up. So as you can see, I have to connect my iDevice real quick. I have an iPhone 6 Plus right here running iOS 8.1. As you can see on the screen here, it says iPhone 7,1 with iOS 8.1, and that is this guy right here. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the jailbreaking process. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start Jailbreak. Now before you do that, it actually lets you know to do a few things. The first thing you want to do is back up your device just in case anything goes wrong. Not saying it definitely will, but they make no guarantees. Something could go wrong. They don't want to be, they're not liable for it to begin with, but they don't want you running into problems. So just make sure you have a backup in iTunes or iCloud, whatever, of your current stuff. I recommend iTunes. They're also going to need to do a few things to your device also. The first thing is to actually turn the device, well, before that, turn off Find My iPhone and iCloud. You have to turn off your passcode, which by the way will remove any credit cards that you have in Apple Pay. So in my case, it unfortunately did that, but afterward you can just add it back, don't worry. You also have to shut off your passcode, like I said, so that shuts off Touch ID and it shuts off Apple Pay and all that other stuff, which after the jailbreak process you could turn back on. But in order for the jailbreak process to run smooth, this stuff needs to be turned off. And then finally, when that's all off, you need to put airplane mode on. And it actually specifies in the directions right here to switch your device to airplane mode, but it doesn't specify anything about Find My iPhone or the passcode. But from what I've read, you actually have to do this, and I actually messed up previously. This is my second time attempting to jailbreak it now. I didn't do any of that, and I didn't have a successful jailbreak. So I'm not saying it to annoy you. You actually have to do that. So once you're all set there, you are set to begin the jailbreak process. So I'm going to click Already Did, and it is beginning the jailbreak. So I'm going to have you looking at my iDevice right here. As you can see, it's just on the home screen, and so it's just going to run a process to actually put the installer onto the device, and then you'll see exactly what it's going to do. It says jailbreaking, and so the screen looks pretty normal right now. And as you can see on my second page of apps here, there's an app called Pangu New. You probably can't see it that well, but it is there. We're just going to wait on the desktop version to actually finish the process. We're going to wait to see what it says. But there is a little app there. It's like the unfinished icon. It's like a non-finished icon. It says final cleaning. And so it's going to finish that process, and then it's going to prompt me to open up the little installer / launcher, whatever you want to call it, so that we can finish up the process. So it says jailbreak succeeded. And, well, actually, I didn't even have to tap it. You can see the device went to a black screen there, and it's got the loading circle now, so we're going to see what happens. Now, this one said jailbreak succeeded this time. The last time when I forgot to turn all that stuff off on my phone, the app just quit itself and it failed. So you do need to follow through with those steps. So it says connect your device and click start button. So on the computer's end, it's actually done, and from here on, I'm pretty sure it's just going to be carried out on the iPhone 6 Plus here itself. So we have the Apple logo right now. It's going to start up, and then we'll go from there and see what happens. All right, so the device actually turned back on. It's got a black screen right now. As you can see in the Pangu application, it says iPhone 7,1 with iOS 8.1 jailbroken. All right, so it actually shut off airplane mode, so now I'm going to go back into the device and swipe over a page. There you go. You can see that we have Cydia there, and we also have the Pangu application, so I'm just going to launch Cydia real quick. And so it's just going to prepare the file system, and then it's going to launch Cydia, which has also been redesigned for iOS 8, and developers are already enabling their jailbreak tweaks and themes and stuff like that to work with the newer devices and also be compatible with iOS 8. So I'm looking forward to this. You guys know some of the most popular videos on my channel are jailbreak videos, so you guys, I know a lot of my subscribers really appreciate when I do tweak reviews, my top 10 tweaks and stuff like that. So don't worry, I have a lot of that stuff coming. I know you guys are looking forward to that, so stay tuned. I'm going to play around around with this a little bit, install some stuff, play around with it. Pretty excited. But there you go, guys. That is how to jailbreak any iOS 8 device, all the way up from iOS 8 all the way to iOS 8.1, including Apple's latest devices like the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. For Mac, I believe all links down in the description. There's also a link to get the Windows version. Both operate basically the same, so you can manipulate this tutorial for either base system whenever you're running Windows or OS X. So far, so good. It installed Cydia. It seems like it works, so check out those links in the description. But anyways, guys, that's it for this one. If you liked it, please leave some comments below on your thoughts. Of course, rate this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.